Welcome to the EvenMix Bung Mixer assembly guide. I'll walk you through how to easily set up your mixer for immediate use. The EvenMix Bung Mixer is designed to mount directly to the 2-inch NPT bung hole on your 55-gallon drum or other vessel. Our patented folding props slip through the bung aperture and open with centripetal force, working effectively in both inside and center bung positions. Assembly is straightforward and can be completed by one person in just a few steps. First, insert your mixing shaft into the drum bung, including the stainless steel reducer. Next, insert the mixing shaft into the output of the drive and tighten the through bolt. Attach the drum bung fitting to the drive. Then insert the assembled mixer into the drum, ensuring it fits snugly inside the hole. Note that the fitting is designed to hook within the drum bung. These mixers are universal, suitable for both plastic and steel drums. Use the adjustable bolt to secure the container, providing a firm grip on the drum between the handle and the hook. To remove, simply release the handle and pull out of the drum. Our mixers weigh 12 pounds or less, making them significantly lighter than competitors' models that typically weigh 25 to 100 pounds. This lightweight design allows for easy transfer from one drum to another. The EvenMix system works with various materials, including viscous substances, slurries, liquids, and powders. Our mixers function in containers from 1 to 55 gallons and can fit openings as small as 2 inches. If you have any questions about installation or need assistance selecting the right model for your application, please call us at 440-236-6677. For more information, visit https://evenmix.com. It's evenmix.com, how to assemble bung mixer. https://evenmix.com, product drum lid mixer. https://youtube.com, watch VE4G AKD5OE8. https://evenmix.com, 55-gallon drum mixer. https://airccontainers.com, blog plastic versus steel drum.